Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you traffic sources that I use relating to solo ads. So solo ads, I don't know if you know what they are, but they're a very reliable and very fast, very quick source of traffic, and it's actually usually also it happens to be pretty cheap. So what are solo ads? Basically, someone has an email list, right, of people in your niche, right? So you definitely need to find someone that has traffic in your niche, and that person is going to send an email to his subscribers promoting your page, your landing page, your offer, even your affiliate link. You have to see with them what they're willing to promote, because every solo ad vendor is different, but usually they'll sell that traffic anywhere from 30 cents to $1.50 a click. I'm saying $1.50, that would be of course for buyer traffic, very valuable buyer traffic. $1.50 a click, you could definitely go as high as that. And we're going to find sellers that provide these clicks, and then we're going to buy traffic from them. So a couple of places where you can find traffic. The first one is Udemy. However you pronounce it. I mean, Udemy, here you go. Let me just log in really quick. Alright, so Udemy is a website where solo ad buyers and solo ad sellers actually get to meet, and they get to buy and exchange from each other. So if you head to Udemy here and you click on find sellers, right, just quickly register an account, you're going to be able to find solo ad providers, and these people are going to be usually ranked by highest quality to lowest quality, and of course the top ones are promoted. So what you can get here is you can get your search down to find sellers that are appropriate for you. So this would be the delivery time. So you can go as quick as 24 hours if you really need the traffic as quickly as possible and you can't stand waiting. Or for the best solo ad vendors are usually booked for a pretty long period. So of course, choosing 24 hours would mean that you're going to perhaps find lesser quality vendors. Now, number of clicks, you can buy all the way up to 1,000 clicks if you really want to get that traffic flowing really quickly, and then you can start as low as 50 clicks. I recommend going with at least 100 clicks, because then you have I'd say a number that is statistically significant to know how your offer is converting, right? And then you have the click price from 35 cents all the way up to 95 cents. That's the highest someone can charge on this website here, and you're going to be able to see vendors and see their stats. So here, the thumbs up, of course, is the good feedback, and then the red is the negative feedback. So you can see that this vendor has overwhelmingly positive responses, and 50% of her clients actually get sales, right? This is the number for sales. So let's say that you find a vendor you think you like, or you think you could work with. On this page here, you're going to be able to again select the amount of visitors. Now this person obviously has a very large list, because she's able to deliver 1,000 clicks within a very short period of time, and she's actually charging about 50 cents a click. So go ahead, read the reviews that person has got, and make your decision based on that. You really want to find someone that has proven that they have done business in the past successfully, and that they provide for their clients. But usually you can find this on this website, because these people can't really go ahead and give fake testimonials, right? You're getting they're getting feedback directly posted on her page, right? So which is very good, because then you can't really get scammed too hard on this platform. Now another website that I certainly recommend is not really a website at all, actually. It's a Facebook group called Solo Ad Testimonials, right? So go ahead and look it up on Facebook. So this one is a Facebook group, so it doesn't have all the payment integrated. What's usually going to happen is you're going to have to make the payment directly to the vendor. There's not going to be any escrow. There's not going to be any anything like that, right? So no safety net. Basically, you're gonna have just to trust these people. What I suggest is going ahead here and reading what these people are, what these people have gotten as far as testimonials go. For example, you find someone that has provided clicks. Let's say this person, Kareem here, what you can do is you can just copy their name and look it up in the group here. Do a search for that person and see if everyone's been satisfied with their orders.